ओके, तो सबसे पहले तो वेलकम टू ग्लिस्टर्जन यूएसए।
थैंक यू सो मच।
ओके, अक्षय क्या कहना चाहोगे कि अपने जो ये बेवफा सॉन्ग है एक बेवफा, वो बहुत ही ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल रहा है और सबसे ज्यादा पसंद किया जा रहा है, तो क्या कहना चाहोगे सबसे पहले तो?
I just want to thank everybody who is loving this song and just appreciating it because काफी लोगों के मेरे पास messages आ रहे हैं continuously back to back. Like every morning when I'm waking up, I'm getting a huge list of followers and emails. People are just trying to they are like, oh, you played Dave and now you are killing it with your looks in the song. And I'm like, okay, thank you so much everybody. बिकॉज सब लोगों को तो आंसर देना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, कांट एबल टू सब किसी को भी मैं रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाता हूँ बिकॉज जब भी मैं स्क्रॉल करता हूँ एक को रिप्लाई करने के लिए तो 100 मैसेजेस नेक्स्ट होते हैं। तो आई थिंक अभी ये अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है कि मैं आप लोगों से डायरेक्टली यहाँ बात कर पा रहा हूँ। आई जस्ट वांट टू थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर लव एंड सपोर्ट। सॉन्ग बहुत अच्छा वर्क कर रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ यू ऑडियंस, यू आर लविंग इट, यू आई थिंक सब लोग मुझे बस यही मैसेज कर रहे हैं कि यू गाइस डिड जस्टिस विद द सॉन्ग। आपने सॉन्ग को बर्बाद नहीं किया, जैसे काफी सारे रिमिक्स आते हैं और वो बर्बाद हो जाते हैं। तो आई वाज लाइक ओके चलो थैंक गॉड इट वर्कड।
यस। अच्छा, हमने ऑन स्क्रीन राइवलरी तो देखी आपके और सिद्धार्थ के बीच में, और जिस तरह का ट्रायंगल था कहीं ना कहीं, तो आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे ऑफ स्क्रीन कैसा आप लोगों का बॉन्ड रहा, क्योंकि ऑन स्क्रीन तो बहुत ही सही दिख कर आ रहा है।
नहीं, ऑफ स्क्रीन भी हम लोगों का बॉन्ड बहुत बहुत कूल था, बहुत चिल था बिकॉज actually Siddharth and me, it was our first song together and we were on set. So we my graduation and I've done from Dehradun and Siddharth is also from Dehradun. So we were just, while going out of Vanity, we were just sitting and talking about Dehradun, about Mussoorie stuff, like because we have spent a lot of time there. So we were trying to talk about so which school you are from, which college you are from. So most of the time we just talk like that only, not on like what you're doing in Bollywood. It was just mutual talks between two Dehradun kids.
And what about Crystal?
Crystal, she's superb. She's like she's very genuine person. She's very humble, very grounded, and she was very very sweet with everybody, not even with me. Like I believe कि आपको किसी भी इंसान का कैरेक्टर या किसी इंसान को जज करना है तो you just see कि वो आपसे छोटे लोगों से किस तरीके से डील करते हैं, So Crystal was superb. She was good to everybody. Like सब लोगों से बहुत प्यार से रहना, बहुत अच्छे से बिहेव करना। And while we were performing, we were just talking and chit-chatting about work and this kind of के हम बात कर रहे थे अमिताभ बच्चन के बारे में, हम दोनों बैठ के। तो we were just talking, how's your experience, how was my experience? We were just kind of sharing our experience together. So it was just great working with her.
Okay.
And now, yeah.
Yes, please tell.
There you saying something.
ओके, मैं वही कह रही थी कि आपका जो रोमांस दिखाया है, सबसे पहले तो जब आपने सुना था कि क्रिस्टल के साथ रोमांस दिखाना है, तो लाइक मतलब क्या जहन में आया था, क्या ख्याल में आया था?
मैं एक्चुअली टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मैं उससे पहले क्रिस्टल को जानता ही नहीं था। somebody told me you are doing song with Crystal. I'm like okay, I don't know who is Crystal. But when I saw her first time, तो तब मुझे पता लगा okay, because I've seen her face previously, but not by, I don't know people by name, their names. तो जब मैं क्रिस्टल को मिला तो then I was like okay, I've seen this girl somewhere. And then मुझे लगा कि okay, this is my bad memory because I'm not a TV person at all, so I've not seen her. But when we were talking, so she told me, okay, I'm doing this film with Amitabh ji, I'm doing this. I'm like, okay now. Because she's definitely a senior actor, very experienced, and she's having like great caliber in performing and acting. So I could say like she's superb human. And after मैंने क्रिस्टल को भी ये चीज बोला था कि यार I'm sorry, मैं नहीं जानता था आपको कि who are you. I was just, and she was just normal, she was not trying to pretend anybody like I'm a star, I'm this, I'm that. No, she was very grounded, she was very humble, she was talking to me nicely. And when somebody told me like this, that there are scenes you have to do, and I was, no matter who the girl opposite to me, I just get nervous first because I'm not that kind of person who do this kind of scenes in front of camera. Because it's just an acting, but there are some limitation of yourself. So I'm just trying to open my limitation in this kind of scenes.
And you did really well.
Thank you so much. I was very nervous while performing those scenes, and Adil was pushing me up. Akshay, what are you doing? Boost up yourself, man. Be. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I'm like, okay. I'm doing it. So it was like, it was a lot of fun while shooting it, because I think we shot around 1 or 2 o'clock till night, and it was a whole day and night we were shooting for that song.
ओके जिस तरीके से आजकल म्यूजिक वीडियो और वेब सीरीज इन सब का जो ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म पे सबसे ज्यादा अगर क्रेज बढ़ते जा रहा है, तो आप कितने ओपन हो फॉर ओटीटीज और फॉर म्यूजिक वीडियोस?
Actually, I go with I don't care about the big brand, something like that. I just go with good scripts, I think, because I love like what I am playing in the script, because whenever what happened, the writers and directors comes with the script while doing narration, so they come up with the story is this, the story is that, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that, and I'm like, just explain me like what is my character is all about. I just want to know about my character. No matter you make your film beautiful, I know that, but as a lead actor, what I just go or prefer is more of a script and what my character is doing in it, because it impact a lot on audience, because audience are going to watch me when I'm there on screen. They are not gonna watch the money you have put on the background and all. Definitely it a combination of everything, money, fees, actors and everybody, like, but the thing is, you can't only focus on particular thing ki will make the set huge and your character dumb. So I just want so I am open to the every platform, but not to the reality shows. I don't want to do it at all, reality shows.
ओके अपने कुछ शो के बारे में बताना चाहेंगे? पांड्या स्टोर जो अब तक शूट कर रहे थे, लेकिन फिर अब वहां पर भी इश्यूज होने शुरू हो गए तो शूटिंग बंद हो गई है.
एक्चुअली पांड्या स्टोर मुझे मैं अपना पर्सनल टच के अकॉर्डिंग बोलूं तो कहीं ना कहीं अभी के टाइम पे कोई एक ऐसा शो है जो मुझे हमेशा से कभी था, मतलब मुझे कभी शो करना था ही नहीं, बिकॉज आई हेट सास बहू काइंड ऑफ ड्रामा हु कीप ऑन टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइक किचन politics, and I'm not that guy who watched this kind of things. So when this first time script came to me, and the stories all about whole family, brothers bonding, so I was like, in this 21st century, I think we need something like that who can bind us together, because right now क्या हो रहा है कि हम लोग सब अपने अपने कमरे में रहते हैं, सब अपने अपना खाना खा रहे हैं, मतलब एक घर में भी रह के हम एक साथ नहीं रहते. तो और ये पूरे not even India, it all around the world same story is happening. No matter you are living in the same house, but we behave that we are not living together. So पंड्या स्टोर का सबसे खास बात यही है कि इमोशनल टच ये है कि we care for each other. We just try to spend time with each other, no matter how सिचुएशन, बिकॉज हर घर में एक सिचुएशन होती है, एक इमोशनल ब्रेकडाउन होता है, कभी क्या होता है, बट फैमिली इज ऑल अबाउट बीइंग टुगेदर, स्ट्रांगली स्टैंड टुगेदर. सो पांड्या स्टोर इज एन एग्जांपल कि आप कैसे अपनी फैमिली को, नो मैटर, आप आइडियल कैरेक्टर नहीं ढूंढ सकते हर फैमिली में, हर फैमिली में डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं. किसी में, हर घर में आपको रिशिता मिलेगी, हर घर में आपको रावी मिलेगी, हर घर में आपको धरा भाभी मिलेगी, हर घर में आपको गौम्बी मिलेंगे. तो सेम आपको हर घर में मिलेंगे. तो पांचों उंगलियां कभी बराबर नहीं होती, सब आपसे छोटे होंगे, आपसे बड़े होंगे, तो डेफिनेटली उन सबको एक साथ रखना, दैट्स वी कॉल इट, दैट्स व्हाई इंडियंस आर नोन फॉर. हम इंडियंस की सबसे खास बात ये है कि हम साथ में रहते हैं. तो वो चीज बॉन्ड आज के टाइम पे हम कहीं ना कहीं मिस कर रहे थे. तो आई थिंक दिस शो इज कमिंग अप विद दैट, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी आर गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ लव फ्रॉम ऑडियंस.
सो ट्रू. बट कहीं ना कहीं अभी उस पर एक स्टॉप लग गया है सस्पेंशन का. तो क्या कहना चाहोगे, कैसे मतलब देखते हो आप उस चीज को? बिकॉज लॉकडाउन
But
की स्थिति हर जगह कहीं ना कहीं होती जा रही है।
see, I just see it as right now the situation is very worst. हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हम अपनी तरफ से जो एंटरटेन कर सकते हैं लोगों को वो करें, बट फर्स्ट मैं बोलता हूँ सबसे पहले ह्यूमैनिटी आती है, उसके बाद
या
एवरीथिंग कम्स अप. So we are just trying to save lives, not to risk anyone's life, or we are just following the protocols of given by government. We don't want to break them. We are just we right now we already have a bank of good good episodes, so we can hold if we can hold it for some time. There's no issue, but we just want to do it because there are a lot of people on our set. People are not able to go on Eid because Eid is there after 2 days. People are
या
not able to go and celebrate with their families, but we are there with them and we gonna celebrate with them no matter, because we don't leave our colleagues कि चाहे वो हमारा स्पोर्ट बॉय टीम हो, प्रोडक्शन टीम हो, we love to celebrate together, guys. So I just want to say, yaar, this is the situation, and I know कि this is hopefully gonna end soon, and again we'll start shooting, and our show won't stop. Don't worry about it. That I can promise to the audience.
अच्छा, अगर अक्षय मैं आपसे बात करूं कि आपने शुरुआत अपनी टीवी सीरीज और एड्स और इन सब के थ्रू की थी, और अब जब एक डेली सोप कर रहे हैं जहाँ पर बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स है, जहाँ पर बहुत सारा सिंक्रोनाइजेशन होता है जब हम साथ में सीन्स कर रहे होते हैं, तो कैसा ये एक्सपीरियंस है आपका? क्योंकि जो टीवी सी एड होती है वो हार्डली मतलब कुछ दिनों के लिए होती है, एक दो दिन में खत्म हो जाती है, बट डेली सोप इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, और साथ ही
Yeah,
साथ
actually, it's very
डेली
tiring, to be
बेसिस पे कुछ ना
honest.
कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होता रहता है।
It's really tiring, to be honest, because I'm more of a TV commercial guy who have done more than 300 TV commercials. So I have done every brand, but when I'm coming to this TV industry, it was really difficult for me because I have done films. There was like उनका schedule almost 45 days, 50 days का schedule होता है films का, but while doing TV show, it's really, I don't know. Previously I used to don't like TV actors. I don't know what is TV is all about, why people are talking about, keep on talking about. But when I came to TV, then I know it take a lot of efforts to do it, whole day, like since morning to evening you are on set, you are doing your, because every day you have to give footage of per episodes you have shoot every day. So it's really difficult. People think it's very easy, to go in TV and you earn money. That it's not about earning money only, it's about giving your personal life time also, because you suffers in your personal life too, because you don't get time to talk to your family, you don't get time to talk to your loved ones. You just be in that particular show, you because you can't break your character while morning to evening. You just try to be in character, so you just keep going through the scripts, and when you get time in night, so you just get 2 hours for yourself, not more than that, and again in morning we have to go back and start shooting.
Yeah, it's so tiring, but it's worth it, right?
Yeah, it's worth it actually, because when we get so much love by audience, when we receive
Yeah.
such kind of comments, when people can relate to our acting, when people can relate to our characters, so definitely then we feel good, then we feel ki, okay, this worth it.
Yeah, the kind of reach TV actors get through their characters, like मतलब आपका और ऋषिता का जो ऑन स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री है वो सबसे ज्यादा पसंद किया जाता है। फॉर दैट मैटर आपके शो में जितने भी कपल्स है सबकी केमिस्ट्री को पसंद किया जाता है। तो आपने कभी ऐसा सोचा था कि इतना फेमस होगा, ये कपल गोल्स भी दे सकता है हमारा जो जोड़ी है?
नहीं, बट मुझे एक्चुअली टू बी ऑनेस्ट मुझे पता था कि मैं जो शो करूंगा वो हिट शो करूंगा, मैं फ्लॉप शो नहीं करूंगा। मुझे पहले ही पता था, आई वॉज वेरी श्योर अबाउट इट। मुझे इतने सालों से, बहुत सालों से मुझे टीवी के बैक टू बैक ऑफर्स थे इतने साल इंडस्ट्री में, but I said no to everybody, no to every production house. They were giving me, sir, we'll do this, we'll make you romantic hero, we'll make you this, we'll make you that. And I was not satisfied with their things, because when this script comes and I was there, so I thought ki, this is something different which I was looking for. It's more of a family. I don't want any show to be centric on a particular person. I want it should go on a vast, like, everybody should put an effort in it. Because I believe कि जब 10 लोग होते हैं शो के अंदर और 10 लोग अपनी एनर्जी, अपनी परफॉर्मेंस साथ में लेके आते हैं, देन आप उस शो को ऊपर लेके जाते हो. इट्स नॉट कि only one actor and one actress is there and they make a show hit. It's whole team. तो मुझे वो टीम एफर्ट में बड़ा मजा आता है काम करने में. तो डेफिनेटली मेरी टीम इतनी अच्छी मुझे मिली एंड शो इज गोइंग ग्रेट एंड आई न्यू इट. अभी जब मुझे स्क्रिप्ट मिला था तभी मुझे पता था दिस गोना डू ग्रेट.
अच्छा, आपने सबको बहुत ही करीब से देखा है, चाहे वो शाइनी हो, चाहे वो किंशुक हो, कृतिका मैम हो, कन्वर हो, या फिर जितने भी शो में और फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स है, मेल कैरेक्टर्स है, कैसा रहा आपका उनके साथ में एसोसिएशन अब तक का?
For me, everybody is fun loving to me because I say ना कि आप कैसे दूसरों के साथ रहते हो, people will same do to you. Because some people are like, they just good in front of camera, not at back of camera. But my whole team is so good in front of camera and same as they are at back of camera. They are such a fun loving people. They love to, we all love to spend time together. Why after pack up we just sit together, we share our stories together, we just chit chat and we share our experience. And we try to, some people are newer to us in industry, so we try to give advice to them, and we learn from everyone's experience. Because I believe every person is having a limited knowledge. When we talk in gathering, we get to learn a lot of new things.
ओके, लास्टली एनी मैसेज फॉर फैंस जो बहुत ही ज्यादा पांड्या स्टोर को पसंद करते हो, और आपकी परफॉर्मेंसेस, तो अभी आपने एक गाना इतना हिट, सुपर हिट, मैसिवली हिट दे दिया, तो कुछ बताना चाहोगे? कोई और अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स है आपके अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस शो, लाइक पांड्या स्टोर के अलावा कुछ?
There are a lot. Don't worry guys, I will keep entertaining you. कभी भी आपको ऐसा बैठने का मौका नहीं दूंगा. There are a lot of projects which are coming. And I'm officially signed with Tips, so definitely there are a lot of songs which gonna come. So you gonna, guys, you will keep watching my new songs. And second of all, just want to say to my Pandya Store audience, thank you so much for this much love. I hope आप इस शो से I believe कि only कुछ चीजें हम लोग क्या देखते हैं, but we don't applicable in our real life. I believe this is a message to everyone that how we deal with our family members. Some people, I know nobody is in family, we can't compare anyone. Someone is good, someone is little low than you, but family is all about lifting each other. So in this show we are trying to give a story to everybody that no matter how difficult is your marriage, how beautiful is your marriage, but try to help everyone in your family, in marriage, in kids' lives, like how we managed to deal with Krish, how we managed to deal with Shiva. There are a different person. Some people having angry issues, some people is very calm down, some people are, they don't want to live with family, but this is how we try to bind up with them, how we try to deal with them. So this is what I want to say, ki this is not only show, this is our life which is going on television. So I just want to say, just learn from it, and want to say, just take care of yourself in this COVID situation. And just हम लोग आप लोगों के लिए इतना रिस्क लेके शूट कर रहे हैं, तो प्लीज घर पे रहिए, शो को देखिए, एंजॉय कीजिए, और please try to help other people too. Not by, some people can help financially, some people can help in a different way. So this is a breakdown, this COVID is a breakdown for a lot of people. So I just want ki don't worry, ये हर रात के बाद एक सवेरा होता है. This is the night, and soon the sun will rise again.
So true. Thank you so much Akshay for talking to us. और आप भी ध्यान रखिए अपना, और जल्दी जल्दी स्क्रीन पर वापस ही करिए, और हम सबको एंटरटेन करिए.
Thank you so much, Anu. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.
Thank you. Same to you. Bye.
Hi guys, this is Riya Sharma and you're watching me on Glitz Vision USA.